Well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath home on a large corner lot with pristine landscaping. This beautiful home features an open floor plan with real hardwood floors throughout the kitchen, dining, and living rooms, upgraded kitchen with custom cabinets with roll-out shelves and spice rack, a large pantry, and newer stainless steel appliances, and you can cozy up in either the living room or family room as they both feature a brick surround fireplace. Don't forget about the exterior. This spacious corner lot features beautiful landscape with mature oak, maple and ash trees, lots of perennials, a fenced backyard, and a great 2-level deck, just completed last summer, with an electric retractable awning offering shade for those warm summer days. Other features include custom Corian countertops and tile flooring in the bathroom, maintenance-free windows, soffit, fascia,